Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify FordPass charging and trip metrics easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your FordPass charging and trip metrics, begin by opening the FordPass app on your smartphone. Log in with your FordPass account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen of the app. Find the vehicle in question from your list of registered vehicles. Tap on the vehicle icon to access its detailed information. Look for the charging section within the vehicle overview. Here, you will see the current charge status of your electric vehicle. To view detailed charging metrics, tap on the Charging History option. This will provide you with a breakdown of all recent charging sessions. Take note of the charging location, duration, and amount of energy delivered. Next, return to the vehicle overview and locate the trip section. Tap on Trip Metrics to view trip-related information. This includes distance traveled, energy consumed, and efficiency ratings. If you want to track specific trips, select Trip History. Here you can see all trips taken, along with their detailed metrics. To gain more insights, consider the graph options available for visual tracking. If you have questions about any of the displayed data, consult the app's help section. After reviewing your metrics, log out if you're finished using the app. Feel free to reopen the app anytime to check on your charging and trip stats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.